Hey babies, I'm back with another video, and I know I haven't posted as scheduled on Saturday, but if I'm being honest guys, I'm just not used to my hair yet, and I'm trying to find ways that I can wear my hair that I like and still products that work with my hair because my curl pattern is different now. But I'm trying guys, I really am. So I wanted to show you guys my hair, and this is my length. I want my hair back so bad, but it is what it is now, like I said. And yeah, so I decided to do a slick back hair. What? Jayla, speak proper. I decided to do a slick bun tutorial for you guys with my short hair. I'm still trying to figure out hairstyles, so that's why I'm not doing a lot of hairstyles for you guys today, but I needed to show you guys my hair. And yeah, so let's get in the video. Alright guys, so let's get started. I'm using the same product that I used in my curly hair routine, the Nourishing Spa conditioner. I use it as a leave-in conditioner. It's really good. And I was just showing you guys the product because I already have some in my hair. I don't put much when I do my slick buns. I just put that in and the gel to slick this bad boy down. As you can see, my part's already there, so there's not much to do. And don't mind my face, but this Eco Styling gel is heavy. Just got a new one. You guys don't understand how hard it is to put my hair in a slick bun. I'm so used to having so much hair to just grab, and now I struggle because, oh my god, it's so little. And then like in the middle of my head, it's more shorter and it gets tangled more now that I realize. So I have to grip it really tight. My hands just my hands be so tired. Finally. I honestly don't know what I'm saying, but something regarding my edges, because you gotta slick the baby hairs down. I don't have my mirror with me to do my edges like really perfect, but we just gonna work with what we have. Bobby pins are about to be my new best friend because little humps here and there really drives me crazy. Guys, look how short my hair is. Okay, I usually do my edges way better, but because I don't have my mirror with me right now, don't judge. But and I usually use a headscarf to do everything. Oh wow, I realized I didn't have earrings in. Oh, bummer. But I usually why do I keep saying slick? I usually put a headscarf on just to make sure everything's dry and everything. But because my hair is so short now, I really don't have to do that. It stays. And yes, this is basically the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy, and like and comment down below if you're new to my channel. Hit that subscribe button, and bye!